How do I
sharpen a Forstner bit? Well, I'll show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean off all the crud. Once everything's clean, I use a diamond file with diamond lapping fluid. And all I do is on the flat face of the tool, I never touch the outside, so that's going to change the diameter over time. You can use a metal file, small needle file for metalworking, but that's what I use. Super simple, and then you just check, and you can feel that they're nice and sharp. Once it's done, I'll put it back in the case, ready for next. That's how I do it. I'm sure you've got a different way. If you have, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon just up here, because we're releasing these videos daily, and you can see previous ones of them. I think they're down here, but if you really want to stick around and support the channel, get some cool perks and all that kind of jazz, then there's a Patreon link down, I think there somewhere. So you stay safe till next time.